guys, today I'll be showing you how to find Clipboard on Android. Let's begin. So here we are in my notes here in my phone, but just take note that you don't have to do this on notes. You can do this basically in any app anywhere in your phone, maybe it be in IG, FB, YouTube, or WhatsApp or whatsoever. So to access your Clipboard, the first thing that you have to do is you must have your keyboard popped up right here in your screen. As you can see at the bottom, I have my keyboard enabled. So that's the first condition that you must have in order to access the Clipboard. And the next thing is you want to notice this icon right here in the middle, the one that I am dragging right here in my keyboard. That is the icon for the Clipboard. So basically all you have to do is tap that Clipboard icon right here and you can access the Clipboard already from your keyboard. And all you have to do is simply tap on the text that you want to paste right here. So Clipboard is basically a storage of the things that you copy in your phone. In this way you don't have to copy them again if you want to use or paste a separate text that you have copied before. So you can see everything that you have copied here, and with just one tap you can paste it right away right here from your Clipboard. And that's all you have to do. In your case it might be different. This icon right here might not be right here in the middle, but all you have to do is simply explore this part of your keyboard right here at the upper one. You wanna tap some icons right there until you can see this icon right here, or it may directly say Clipboard, and for sure your Android device has Clipboard on your keyboard. So that's basically it for this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.